Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a player to the new party system on your PlayStation 5. So if I press the PlayStation button, then go on down to the game base, then head on over to the party screen, and then go to Start Party. Now, you have two options under here. You can go to Start Open Party, or you can start a Closed Party. Otherwise, there's a new setting called Party Settings right here, where we can go to the party type, and we can decide if we want it open or closed, or we can change the name, require requests to join, invite players, or player limit. So now I can go to invite to players. Now I have the option to invite a group to the party, or I can go to a specific friend under here, select their name, and you can select multiple people at the same time. Otherwise, you have the sort by option. You can go by online status or A to Z. Otherwise, you can go to played together. Let's say you just played with someone and you want to go ahead and invite them to the game, select the name, and you should be good to go. Now, if you go to Close Party right here, you have the option to go to Invite Players, and it will bring up the same screen where you can invite players. So it's very easy to invite individual players to a party now after it's been created and it's closed. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.